So they're giving us this circle graph. A lot of people would call that a pie chart. And they're giving us the total expenses. In other words, they're telling us the actual dollar amount that the full circle represents. And they're asking about one fraction of that circle, right? The sector of the circle that has a central angle x. What fraction is that out of the total? And I'm going to say the total is 360 degrees because it's a full circle. So what fraction of the total 360 degrees is x? That's really all we need to know because we already know the actual dollar amount for the total circle. So again, the question is, how many degrees is x? What is the value of x? That's really a good rephrase for this question. Now, statement 1 gives us exactly that value. So statement 1 is sufficient on its own, and we should eliminate the answer choices that claim that it's not. So B, C, and E are all gone. We're down to A or D. Now, statement 2 gives us the ratio of x to the sum of the two angles as you go clockwise in that circle, the sum of the next two angles in a clockwise rotation. We know that that's a ratio of 1 to 2. But I don't know about the two remaining sectors. So if, for example, I knew that the last two sectors, the ones that we don't know anything about, if I knew that those were summing up to 3x, then that would be sufficient, because I would say I've got x, 2x, and 3x. That's a total of 6x. If 6x is 360, then x is 60, and that would be sufficient on its own. But because I don't know anything about those last two sectors, there's no way for me to infer the value of x, and therefore I can't say what fraction of the total is represented by x, and therefore statement 2 is not sufficient on its own, and the correct answer is A. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.